so many different dimensions. And we are fortunate to have him as a New Jerseyan and be able to call upon his expertise, former Secretary Jay Johnson.
Thank you very much, Senator Menendez. When I was Secretary of Homeland Security, I had a lot of exposure to Congress, sometimes more than I wanted. But I know Bob Menendez is one of the smartest, most capable members of the United States Senate. As I've said many times, I am proud and pleased, Senator Menendez, that you represent the state of New Jersey in the United States Senate. COVID-19 is a lethal pandemic that touched every corner of this state and this nation. It took hundreds of thousands of American lives, wrecked our economy, pushed our public health care apparatus to the brink, and knocked our society and our world off its axis, perhaps permanently. In this country, we recall the alarm we all felt last year at the early prediction that COVID would take the lives of up to 230,000 Americans. Today, the death toll stands at just over 600,000. We should never become numb to that number. It is greater than the American military death toll from World War I, World War II, and the Vietnam War put together. It didn't have to be this way. The men and women represented here today in this building responded heroically. But as a nation, we could have done better. Now we must learn from this horrible experience. I endorse the National Coronavirus Commission Act of 2021, and I thank Bob Menendez and Senator Susan Collins for their bipartisan sponsorship of this bill in the Senate. I have read the bill. I can't say that about every bill, but I have read the bill. It calls for a bipartisan commission of 10 distinguished Americans, 5 Democrats, 5 Republicans, with subpoena power to conduct a comprehensive review of COVID-19, its origins, our preparedness, and our response, and will put forth recommendations for the future. It is critical that we do this. There should be no doubt that we do this. COVID-19 was not the first, and it won't be the last pandemic to reach American shores. Those who do not learn from the mistakes of history are bound to repeat them. Thank you, and thank you for sponsoring this legislation.